When we think of dominant predators, our minds often jump to big cats or sharks. But in the world of reptiles, there are creatures that reign supreme in their ecosystems, wielding power through size, strength, and cunning. Let's dive into the realm of the 5 most dominant reptiles in the animal kingdom, where cold-blooded killers rule with iron scales and razor-sharp teeth. First up, the Komodo dragon. These ancient beasts are the largest lizards on Earth, and they've earned their place at the top of the food chain on Indonesia's islands. But it's not just their size that makes them formidable. It's their territorial behavior that truly sets them apart. Komodo dragons are fiercely protective of their domains, patrolling vast areas and challenging any intruders. They're not above turning on their own kind either. In a grim twist of nature, adult Komodos have been known to cannibalize younger dragons, ensuring only the strongest survive. This behavior isn't just brutal, it's strategic. By eliminating potential competitors and controlling their territory, Komodo dragons maintain their dominance over limited island resources. It's a harsh world where even family ties mean little in the face of survival. But the Komodo's reign is limited to land. When it comes to ruling the boundary between land and sea, there's one reptile that stands unchallenged: the saltwater crocodile. These massive predators can grow up to 23 feet long and weigh over a ton. They're not just big, they're smart, patient, and perfectly adapted to their environment. Saltwater crocs dominate the estuaries and coastal areas across Southeast Asia and northern Australia. What makes them so dominant? It's their ability to control entire waterways. These crocs stake out prime hunting spots along rivers and estuaries, creating invisible territories that other predators dare not enter. They're ambush hunters par excellence, capable of remaining motionless for hours before exploding into action with lightning speed. But it's not just their hunting prowess that makes them dominant. Saltwater crocodiles are also incredibly adaptable. They can survive in freshwater, saltwater, and everything in between. This versatility allows them to expand their range and outcompete other predators in a variety of habitats. Moving from the estuaries to the dense rainforests of South America, we encounter our next dominant reptile, the anaconda. These massive snakes are the heavyweights of the serpent world, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 30 feet. In the Amazon, anacondas are apex predators capable of taking down prey as large as caimans and jaguars. But their impact on the ecosystem goes beyond just what they eat. The mere presence of anacondas can alter the behavior and population dynamics of their prey species. Smaller animals become more vigilant, altering their feeding and mating habits to avoid becoming a snake snack. Larger prey species may avoid certain areas altogether, changing the distribution of wildlife throughout the forest. This ripple effect showcases the anaconda's dominance, not just as a predator, but as a force that shapes its entire ecosystem. But even the mighty anaconda might think twice before tangling with our next contender, the Nile crocodile. These ancient predators have been ruling African waterways for millions of years, and they're not about to give up their crown without a fight. Nile crocodiles are infamous for their aggressive nature and their willingness to take on large prey. But what truly cements their place as one of the most dominant reptiles is their ongoing conflict with another African giant, the hippopotamus. Hippos are no pushovers. They're massive, territorial, and more than capable of defending themselves. Yet Nile crocodiles regularly challenge them, engaging in epic battles that can last for hours. These confrontations aren't just about food, they're about control of the waterways that both species depend on. While hippos often come out on top in these clashes, the fact that Nile crocodiles are willing and able to take them on speaks volumes about their dominance. It's a testament to the crocodile's power, aggression, and sheer audacity in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. Last, but certainly not least, we come to a reptile that dominates not through size or strength, but through sheer deadliness: the king cobra. This is a snake that lives up to its regal name, ruling the forests of South and Southeast Asia with a combination of venom and attitude. What sets the king cobra apart is its unique position as a eater. While most snakes avoid their own kind, the king cobra actively hunts other serpents, including venomous species. This behavior puts it at the top of the reptile food chain in its habitat. But it's not just what the king cobra eats that makes it dominant, it's how it behaves. These snakes are known for their intelligence and their willingness to stand their ground. When threatened, a king cobra will rear up, spreading its hood and staring down its opponent. It's a display of confidence that few other creatures can match. This boldness, combined with its lethal venom, means that even large predators think twice before tangling with a king cobra. In the forests of Asia, this snake truly reigns supreme. As we've seen, dominance in the reptile world comes in many forms. From the territorial brutality of the Komodo dragon to the patient power of the saltwater crocodile, the ecosystem-altering presence of the anaconda to the bold challenges of the Nile crocodile, and the deadly efficiency of the king cobra. These cold-blooded rulers have carved out their place at the top through millions of years of evolution. Their dominance isn't just about being the biggest or the strongest. It's about adapting perfectly to their environments, developing strategies that allow them to outcompete and outlast their rivals. In the ever-changing dance of predator and prey, these 5 reptiles have mastered the steps, becoming the undisputed champions of their domains. As we marvel at their power and adaptability, we're reminded of the complex and often brutal nature of the natural world. These reptiles may be dominant, but they're also vital parts of their ecosystems, playing crucial roles in maintaining the delicate balance of life. In their cold-blooded efficiency, we see the raw, uncompromising face of nature, beautiful, terrifying, and utterly fascinating.